How to rank number one with semantic SEO. Guaranteed. Here's how you can use semantic SEO the right way to rank number one for multiple keywords. There's a proven framework that the top people in the SEO space use that almost nobody else knows. And that's exactly why they succeed and you don't. It's harsh truth, but it's the reality. But because I am on a mission to help as many businesses dial in their SEO to rank number one, I'm going to give you all the secrets for free in this video. Now, why should you listen to me? I built the number one SEO agency in India in 2023 and I've been in the SEO space for more than 20 plus years. So I'm going to reveal all the secrets nobody else is telling you. Let's dive in. How has Google changed over time? Evolution of Google algorithm. 15 years ago, keyword stuffing was effective for rankings. Google search engine was simpler, matching search queries to present keywords. Algorithm updates like knowledge graph, hummingbird, rank brain, and BERT transformed Google. Shift towards a more complex search approach, introducing semantic search. Semantic search introduction. Semantic search focuses on understanding context, search intent, context, and relationships. A shift from keyword matching to deciphering the matching behind the queries. What is semantic search? Adding phrases and words, not keywords. Semantic search aims for more accurate search results. A user search intent. The term search intent refers to the reason why you are performing a query, or in layman terms, why you are Googling something or why you Google something. Most often you want to buy, find, or learn something. For example, I search for SEO in Google. When I type SEO, it is actually providing the results for the definition of the SEO because the results intent is fairly broad. Now, if I search for how to do SEO or how do I get started with SEO, Google does not provide definition of SEO because my intent is different. Shift to meaning over keywords. When it comes to search, semantic search refers to a connection between a search query, word related to it, and the content on website page. Instead of solely matching keywords, Google prioritizes understanding the meaning behind queries. For example, if you were to search for Paris, who is Paris Hilton, you start to see results about the person, entity, Paris Hilton. So as you can see now, however, if you were to slightly change this query to stay in Paris Hilton, Google starts to return results around the entity of hotels located in Paris. How to use semantic search to your advantage. To put it simply, if your content doesn't have a semantic relationship with the search query, it won't show up in the search results. The simple solution to this is matching your content to the search term in combination with the right strategy. To be on the right side of the semantic SEO, you need to do the following. Focus on topics, not keywords. Make sure you understand user intent. Is it to buy, to reach a particular page, to research about a brand, to learn something, to build relevancy through links, both internal and external? Use schema markup, use semantic HTML. Answer all relevant questions around your topic. Make your answer structure based and your sentence to be easily understandable. Now, let's see how you can do with the help of my new go-to tool, Entity Analyzer. So this is Entity Analyzer, which is free for now. And you can go and sign up for this on entityanalyzer.com. So here I have signed up on this. When I'm going to, so let's say I'm going to find an entity report and I'm trying to rank for a keyword SEO packages for one of our websites. So this has many functions, for example, schema, text analyzer, but we're going to just use entity analyzer. So let's say we want to rank our website for SEO packages. I'm going to type SEO packages URL of our website here. I'm going to enter the keyword SEO packages and I'm going to search a city. Let's say we are in Chicago. So I'm going to search city Chicago and select it and I'm going to search it. So here you see, here are top 10 results for our search term. Now we select the pages and we can select maximum 2. So I'm going to select the first and the second results and click on analyze these results. And we're going to scroll down to see the data now. So you will see there are top 20 entities in red. So it is showing top 20 entities and entities in red are absent on our web page. For example, pay-per-click, keyword stuffing and artificial intelligence. And I can copy them and it also tells me the headings for what are the heading occurrence, so I can analyze those. It is giving me, so I've just clicked gone, so it's going to analyze those. So I'm going to click refresh headings and word count. So it is telling me what is the H1, what is the page word count, and if I go down, it is actually telling me the number of variation words found on respective web pages. So it tells me what keywords are there on my web page and what keywords are not. I also can see top entity, what is there and what is not. It gives me the variation of the pages. And let's click on optimize my content. So it will load our pages, which we want to be done. And the whole point is not to do the content editing here, but it tells us what kind of keywords are coming, how many times I need to add. So remember, this is on entity based. So all the keywords here which are semantically related, I would ensure, all we need to do is ensure that they are added to our web page. So now I go back, and as I said, you can do these searches for different cities. So that is how you do the entity optimization. Now let's talk about structured data, schema markup, rich results. Ever notice Google shows cool stuff like rating and FAQ in search? Those are rich results. Let's see how does that make Google understand and display such cool results. Websites use a tiny piece of code called structured data. Let's see an example of keyword, and I'm going to explain. For example, I searched London parking, and when I scroll down, you will see the website. For example, Just Park, it has ratings, it has votes, it has two more options like free and travel. How is it all showing? This is what it is showing through the structured data. Looking at the code of the London parking or this website, we see that it contains info like rating and FAQ. This code helps Google show it easy. Best code language Google which prefers is JSON. Google likes a code language called JSON-LD for structured data. It keeps things neat and organized. Now here is the top tip. Common mistake I often see with this type of schema is that people often try to validate it using Google rich result testing tool. This type of schema is not supported by Google for rich snippets, and therefore will not validate in this tool. To see if your schema is applied properly, make sure you are using the schema or markup validator. The link is given in the description. Also, here is another structured data search explorer tool which we use called as neural text. So in this, I'm just typing, for example, SEO packages, and I'm going to click search. It will take a minute to show me all the structured search data for this particular keyword. So when I'm going to go down, it will load. So here it shows the schema found on 10 pages. This tells me what are kind of schemas are being used on these 10 pages. So you can see the FAQ schemas, you can see the local address schemas, you can see different sort of schemas by use. All I have to do is ensure that I'm using most of these schemas online. So just like you had entity analyzer for entities, you have neural text analyzer for schemas. So when you combine these, actually is a good way to do optimization semantic. Most of the websites run on WordPress, and you can see tool like Link Whisper, which is free. Again, you can download for internal linking. You can use, of course, there are other tools available for other type of websites as well. You can see Link Whisper, which you can actually use to optimize your website backlinks as well. It is important to build relevancy through links, both internal and external. Contextual anchor text, internal links, you can, as I said, you can use WordPress plugin like Link Whisper and use clear context words, use smart words in links that fits the topic, going beyond simple one for better understanding. Linking strategy. Plan links carefully to connect content smoothly and make the website more organized. User-friendly links. Make links that help users easily move around the website and find what they are looking for. Changeable links. Adjust link as needed, including different words to keep them effective over the time. Understandable language. Make sure the links match how people naturally talk and how search engine understand language. So now you know how to use semantic SEO. But in order to actually rank #1 in your niche, go and watch the video that you see on the screen right now, where I show you how to rank without any link building. That's everything that keeps you from achieving amazing results. So go and watch this video. Then you know everything that you need to know in order to achieve success with SEO and rank #1.